How to report a driver in Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'm simply going to be guiding you on how you can report a driver on the Lyft app if you're having issues with the driver. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. So if you're a passenger on Lyft and you've been riding and you have some kind of complaint about the driver, one of the first thing you can actually complain and report them is via their rating panel. So of course you could give them a few star rating and then just tell what you want about those riders. But if you directly want to contact Lyft about the specific rider because of some type of rude behavior, in that case, what you have to do is just go ahead and then launch your browser, and then you want to go to the official help support of Lyft, which is basically called help.lyft.com. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. You can just go to help.lyft.com over here. As you go to help.lyft.com, you'll be able to see all these options and you have some of the popular articles, right? But we're trying to contact Lyft directly, so we're going to scroll down to the very bottom of the screen until we find the button that says contact us. And once we tap on the option called contact us, if you have your Lyft account, then you can log into your Lyft rider or your Lyft passenger account. But if you don't, then in this case you can just select the option called I don't have an account, and as you've done that, you'll be able to see all this. Tell us about yourself so we can help. So since you're a rider that you're trying to complain about the driver, just select the option called I'm a rider over here. Once you select I'm a rider, just select what you're trying to complain about the Lyft driver, such as fare charges or fees, something happened during your ride, or profile and account settings, or promos, credits and rewards. So if something happened during your ride, which most likely I'm assuming that it did, you can just select this option over here, and then you can select lost and found, accident, feedback on driver, or unsafe car condition. Whatever the issue is, you can go ahead and then select those options over here. You'll also be able to see some of the other options based on your own needs. You can just select them, and then once you've done that, you'll be able to see all these options. So you can see to report the specific driver, tap I still need help, and then you should be able to go ahead and then contact Lyft, write some complaints. How would you like to get in touch, such as phone call or email? So if you want to receive a phone call from Lyft, you can select phone call, or if you want to select an email, you can just select email and then just complain the Lyft driver in that way. And that's all it takes to report a driver in Lyft. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.